What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions. The Hustle family, turn motivation to means. Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, Milwaukee Made King Hustle 2.0, and King Hustle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from that Twitch and all those YouTube channels. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop any of my videos, content, you get the notifications, you'll know what's going on, and you might win something for free. All right. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Right. Got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for. Right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you to a boss. So you tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, there's going to be some information that's going to help you win. All right. And in today's video, we're going to talk about another place that's giving out a $5,000 credit builder loan that'll help you improve your credit profile as far as your debt, payment history, and your age, because those are the key factors that determine your credit score. And your debt to income ratio will determine if you get approved for a loan, credit card, and any type of funding. And it's a lot of people looking to get into the credit world, the business world, the get funding on the personal and the business side. It's a lot of people that's just stuck and trying to figure out how is everybody doing this credit game and getting paid and doing this and doing that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys where to go so you can help, so you can potentially get the funding to help you start building your credit profile back up, so you can start getting the loans, the credit cards, the lines of credit that you need to succeed and win in life. All right. So at the end of the day, everybody's looking for some type of primary trade line. Everybody needs debt, payment history on their credit report. Now, it's a lot of people out there that doesn't understand a credit profile. Your credit profile is demonstrating how well you are with managing money. And once you turn 18, that's when you are officially legal and you get a credit profile. It's a lot of people that never had anything in their name. It's a lot of people that got credit cards, student loans, auto loans, mortgages, you name it in their name. And some of those are delinquent. Some of those they stop making payments on, and now it's delinquent in collections. But those are still primary trade lines. A lot of people don't understand that you're not supposed to just dispute everything off your credit report or your credit profile. You still need that debt, payment history, and the age that you have on those accounts. Because once you dispute them and they do get deleted off your credit profile, all that's gone. The age, the payment history, and the debt. So if that account was 13 years old and that was the oldest account on your credit report and you dispute it and it deletes or they take it off, that age is now gone. So now the next oldest account on your credit profile is how old your credit profile is. So if it's 5 years, your credit report or credit profile is now 5 years old from 13 years old. You don't want that. You want to keep that age. You want to keep all those older accounts and make payments on them, because those payments will go towards the payment history that you had on the account before, which will still build your credit report. So it's all about managing your debt, managing money, payment histories on all these different accounts that you have. Now, people look for credit builder trade lines and different trade lines to improve their credit profiles and credit accounts. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about Uprova. Uprova has a $5,000 personal loan that they are offering, loan program that they're offering for people who are looking to improve their credit and their credit profiles. All right, so let's go ahead and bring them in. All right, so personal loans from $300 to $5,000, competitive APR, flexible terms, and industry leading service. So Uprover provides loans to borrowers access the loan spectrum, whether you have an excellent or poor credit. We have a financial solution to meet your needs. Getting a personal loan with bad credit can be easily challenging. Uprover is here to help. Choose Uprover and enjoy the benefits of our customer rehabilitation path. Returning customers who qualify for will be eligible for higher dollar loan amounts and lower APRs and longer terms, all with the opportunity to rebuild your credit score. So how does it work? Uprover's mission is to build customers with no credit or poor credit get the funding they need while boosting their credit for the future. We reward returning borrowers with lower interest rates, longer loan terms, and higher dollar loans. We can help rebuild your credit by reporting your timely payments to the relevant credit bureaus. Why personal loans? When faced with large purchase, debt consolidation, and any unexpected financial burden, personal loan may be an ideal solution to receive the funds you need quickly and easily. Unfortunately, many banks lenders have high cutoffs for credit scores they'll accept to make a loan. So why choose Uprover for a personal loan? An Uprover fixed term personal installment loan can be used to finance anything you like if you are struggling with a loan payment and a credit card debt, need to make a large purchase or experiencing an unexpected emergency. An online installment loan may be the best solution. By reporting your loan repayment to the relevant credit bureaus, Uprover can help you improve your credit score and your chances of borrowing at lower costs in the future. All right. So, what are the benefits of Uprover personal loan? Competitive fixed rates, fixed terms, and fixed payment schedule. Schedule automatic payment options, no origination fee or prepayment penalty. Simple online application and funding process. If approved, you can typically receive funds within 30 minutes, 24/7, 365. Loans from $300 to $5,000 with no collateral required. Terms up to 36 months. Many money you need now. Credit you can use in the future. A personal loan through Uprover provides the money you need now with terms and conditions that you can trust, helping you achieve the personal and financial goals. So, debt, credit, and debt consolidation. A personal loan is an excellent way to consolidate your debt or refinance your credit cards. An installment loan can allow you to consolidate your debt payment dates and simply simplify your debt management efforts by aligning it into one easy to understand payment. Unexpected costs. Unexpected medical bills, car issues, or travel expenses can happen to anyone at any time. And the most people who are not prepared, if you are facing any expected financial emergency and are unsure where to find money to handle it, be sure to consider the online personal loan from Uprover. From home improvements, if you are looking for a finance from a renovation or a home improvement projects, Uprover fixed term installment loans may be the perfect choice for you with competitive APRs, no unexpected fees, and flexible terms. Their personal loans can help you make those upgrades today without jeopardizing your financial structure and more. These are just a few suggestions for personal loan use. One of the best aspects of Uprover's tribal installment loans is you don't need to have a specific reason or expense to make one out. You can use our online personal installment loans for any purpose you like. If you need cash fast, Uprover is here to help you. All right, so with Uprover, apply for a competitive APR fixed term personal loan has never been easier. Simply visit their site, provide some basic personal information and credit information, and potentially be approved within minutes without ever leaving your home. So, online application provides some personal and financial information to help underwrite the loan. Uprover will review your information and potentially provide a loan offer, which you can accept and approve. Receive your money. That's it. If you approve and accept it, you will receive your money through a direct deposit into your bank account. So competitive APR, flexible term, personal installment loans. So before we go farther, this is not a credit. This is not a savings loan. This is an actual loan where you get the funds. All right, so this is pretty good. Competitive APR, flexible term, personal installment loans. Uprover is an easy to use resource for safe online personal loans that help people meet unexpected emergencies and cash flow need quickly and easily. We are a prime source for online lending and competitive APR, flexible term installment loans. Our loan application is easy and only takes a few minutes to complete, meaning you could receive the decision in minutes. At Uprover, qualify for the personal installment loan is simple, no collateral required. With fixed terms and payments, our loans are designed to easily fit your budget, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. All right, so frequently asked questions. How much can I borrow at Uprover's personal installment loans? $300 to $5,000. Will checking my rate for Uprover loan affect my credit score? Checking your rate for a tribal fixed installment loan of Rover will not affect your FICO credit score. However, if you process the loan after receiving your estimated rate, your credit score may be affected. So if you proceed with the loan after receiving your estimated rate, then I am able to pay off my loan early. Yes, you may log into your account portal and pay and view your payment options at any time and pay the loan in full without penalty. Your finance charges will be prorated if if it is prior to your due date. So will you know if you're approved? And an online approval decision happens seconds after your application is submitted, and you can typically receive funds within 30 minutes, 24/7, 365. How and when do you repay my loan? So basically, Uprover is helping people get up to $5,000 installment loans, bad credit installment loans that will help you succeed, build, and grow. It is not a savings loan. It is an actual loan that you will get the funds. So make sure you guys are checking out Uprover because they are helping people on the business side. They are helping people. On the personal side, get the loans to start structuring and helping build their bad credit. All right. So make sure you guys are checking out Uprover. Make sure you guys have your documentations in order when you apply so you can get approved for that $5,000 installment bad credit, poor credit loan. All right. So shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping in sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 unlimited gems are $1,000. But for limited time only, I am doing them for 600. Yes, 600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. And for a limited time only for $260, I am doing FaceTime lessons, 5 questions. So make sure you guys are booking y'all seats and not missing out on these opportunities because a lot of people complain all day about this and that, and I'm giving y'all opportunity to lock in with me, learn, so it can be your turn. All right. So make sure you guys are booking y'all see on the crypto tour in person limited gems, $3,500 deposit the rest of the money when we meet in person. Make sure you guys are booking y'all see on the month-long mentorship. Anything you need help with for the whole month, I'm here to help, personal or business. Anything you need help with or want to talk about, I'm here 24/7 service. So make sure y'all booking y'all seat with the month-long mentorship, life or business coaching. Make sure y'all going to check out my mentor on my vendor platforms on Potato and the Telegram Millionaire Network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, women, gamers, streamers, and content creators. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all my YouTube channels and my Twitch. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell and follow me on my new IG, King Hustle X1M.2. That will lead you to all my other IGs. Go run them followers up for more free methods, free sauce, free information that's gonna turn you into a boss. Make sure y'all tapping into the crypto world. And with that being said, man, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video or live. Peace.